Hey brother, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna answering all you guys questions that you have sent on the YouTube comments down below. I'm gonna be answering all to help you out on your eBay or Shopify journey. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so don't miss out any of my future videos. And don't forget to make a quick like and make a comment below. Let's get started. Let's get right into the video. Let's not waste any more time. The first question is PayPal or Alibaba to transfer funds to suppliers. I always mention that we should use PayPal to avoid getting scammed. I always mention to use PayPal as a way of transferring funds, and Alibaba is also safe to use, but I'm not getting to advise you guys to use it, and I don't mention it in my videos. So if you want to use it, you can do that if you want, but if I can track them and tested their quality, and after a certain amount of time, why not? But there is a service called Asmo. You download the app on your phone and try to set up your account with your name and your address and all of that stuff, and then you can transfer funds once you have done. So that's the way it works, and what I would recommend, and it's because you get a quicker service and you get better currency exchange, right? Because the money goes directly into their bank account. It's cheaper for the supplier and for you, which means that you're making more profit and you are going to be saving more money overall. So once you find a supplier that you do trust, I would advise that you use this service. Let's move on to the next question, and next question is that how to post sales on eBay. There's two ways you can do this, and before that, the main selling on eBay is to get your listings ranked in the search results as highly as you can. So the first way is to run a promoted listing ad, and you ask now, what is that? You are going to run an ad on a particular listing, and eBay is going to charge you once you make a sale. This is depending on what category and what the product is and how much it is selling for it, and you find out that you click on promoted listing. From that, you click on marketing at the top of your eBay homepage, and then you'll be able to run an ad, and in the search result that will put your product listing higher, and into your product price you need to factor the ad fee so you don't make a loss. Let's move to the next way. The second way is to reduce your price slightly, and from that particular listing, when you reduce your price slightly, more customers are more likely to buy. eBay will rank it higher in the search results as more customers are buying from it. So those are two ways of posting your sales, and once your product has risen in the search results, you can turn the ads off and then make sales without having to buy ad fees. Let's move on to the next question. The next question is how long I start making money on eBay. You shouldn't see eBay as a get rich. eBay is a long-term game. You should focus on trying to build a long-term business. Once you have this in mind and on trying to make money straight away, you are not going to be full focused. I made money in terms of selling the stock and buying stock, and I want to say something to you. I don't make money in the first year of my eBay business. I never got anything until a year later because I wanted to have more products, and I keep growing my inventory pace. That was going to produce more profit. So focus on growing your inventory pace and building a business. Focus on building a brand, and then you will start making money. Have this in mind. eBay is a place where you build a long-term business and you will never get rich quick. Let's move on to the next question. So the next question is how long you made your first 6 figures on eBay. Once I reached 2 years of consistent selling on eBay, it took a lot of trial and a lot of mistakes and a lot of learning. Consistent selling, never give up. Let's move to the next question. What are your plans for the future? I don't only sell on eBay, I sell on Shopify and Amazon as well, and I have got multiple brands and multiple stories on these platforms, and only reason why I talk about eBay a lot is where I build the foundation of all my brands, and that's my beginning, and this is the reason why I talk about eBay a lot. I now moved on to Amazon and Shopify, and in the future I'm going to start talking about Amazon and Shopify a bit more, so make sure you subscribe down below and hit the bell notification. Let's move to the next question. The next question is where do you buy packing material from? I just go to UK, type in the box size that I need and just buy all the boxes from that. Everything that I need to ship out from different sellers on eBay, all the material that I need from different eBay sellers, because I'm able to build up feedback from the eBay sellers and it's cheap. Whatever you need, just go to ebay.uk or ebay.com, buy the material from that wherever you are from. Next question, what I will say when it comes to me building new brands, new dyes. I just sign up to eBay and then to Shopify, just do both. And depending on how much you have, I build both platforms. It doesn't really take that much, and what I would say is start off on eBay because it's not going to cost you too much. You'll be able to make sales and make money, and you can reinvest it into your Shopify store. So if you don't have enough capital to do both, you should start with eBay first. Let's move to the final question, which is, do you offer any sort of phone solution to get me started on eBay, or do you offer any sort of one-to-one training? I don't offer any sort of phone solution at the moment. I just want you to know what it takes to build an eBay store. It was made around a year ago right now. I want you to understand this, and understanding different things from importing products and increasing sales when it comes to your eBay store in terms of managing your finance. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so don't miss out any of my future videos, and don't forget to make a quick like and make a comment below. Stay safe and goodbye.